Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Welcome sa atong programang Gikan sa Masa para sa Masa karong adlaw Domingo, Oktubre 4, tuig 2015. Kita madunggan simulcast sa DXAB 1296 ug makita usab sa channel 61 ug 62 sa Sky Cable. Ako si Attorney Geraldine Chug, alang lamang gihapon sa atong mga hisgutanan karong adlaw. Atong makauban walay lain kundili ang atong Mayor Rodrigo Duterte. Maayong buntag, Mayor.
Ang buntag kanimo Geraldine, may buntag kaninyong tanan.
Okay, Mayor, niadtong Lunes, ang ambassador sa Norwegian Embassy o ambassador of the Canadian Embassy nanawag kanimo para mangayog tabang, no, para dito sa mga victims of the abduction nga nahitabo diha sa Samal. Unsa ang updates aning hostage or kidnapping incident, Mayor?
Wala pa except the fact that we know now with certainty that the abductors and their hostages are in Hulo.
Okay. So far, wala pa sila'y contact? Wala pa
sila'y contact.
Demand.
But tanang branches of services, including the intelligence community, have confirmed na naana sila sa Hulo. And wa pa'y tawag or walay negotiation na-initiate or gisugdan.
Okay. Naana ba'y proof of life sa mga
Kanang proof of life, Geraldine, ipakita lang na sa negotiation. Pananglitan na kay pangayon a certain amount, okay, mo yung 10 million or 5 million, then you ask for proof of life kay ang diha yung buhi pa ba nang among ilukaton kay patay na di na may matag. So they have to show proof of life. Mo na diha. So di pa na mo does not come to a fore, comes to a fore unless there is a negotiation and there is a demand for a proof of life.
Kadtong nanawag ang ambassadors of the Norwegian and Canadian embassies, Mayor, unsa specifically ang gihangyo nila sa imo?
Well, of course, that try to save the hostages.
Okay. Up to what extent ang ilang gusto nga
Wala. It was a single statement. Pareho silang tanan.
Okay.
We trust that you do everything, Mayor Duterte, to solve this case. Ano ra?
So aside from you, doon na pa sila laing mga gitawagan nga mga
I do not
opisyalis?
know. Wala man pagkumungutan.
So that makes you now part of this
Yes, correct. But
task force.
I have been requested by the embassies of two countries, and the least that I could do is say yes if I can help. May na lang nga, well, of course, di man to ato, at ako may ilang gitawon. I was hoping that, not really hoping, but that you would also invite maybe the help of the other mayors there. I don't know if they have called si Antalan, I think it's Mayor Antalan. O ila bang gitawgan. Ang ako, basta ako musulti ninyo gitawgan ko, ng tabang.
Unsa po di mong tubag, Mayor, sa ilang
That I will do my very best.
Okay. So far, mo pa lang to ato ang update na location pa lang, wala pa'y negotiation nga nahito.
Wala pa.
Walay demand and no proof of life
I
yet.
don't know if there might be some other sources or they might have gone directly to the families. That we do not know. But as far as we in government we are concerned, we are not supposed to be dealing with the kidnappers with money. Dili may makaingon mo bayad either ang gobyerno o ang well, of course we leave it to the families of the victims or after all sila mang pinaka-interesado yun. But ang policy yun sa gobyerno nato is not to give in to demands.
Okay. So that was Monday, Mayor, katong gitawagan ka. Tuesday, niabot din si Senator Cayetano, Alan Cayetano, og nakigpulong nimo. And then the following day, Wednesday, nianhin na pod si Senator Bongbong Marcos para makigpulong nimo. Unsa man ang inyong nahisgutan, Mayor?
Well, ang una si Senator Cayetano, Storya mi kadiyot niya, ningon siyang, I just announced my candidacy for the office of Vice President. And ako, well, good. Congratulations. Yan ako nga minhapon na lang ta, kay hapon naman human tong iyang meeting. He was a guest of, I forgot the name of the, so yan ako manhapon. So naaman kauban man si Pia. So silang magsuon, gihangyo ko. Nga, og mudagan lang sa Grinderia. Unya, wala ko'y Vice President. So they were presuming all along nga mudagan ko presidente o mudagan ko pagka-presidente kay vice mang ilang giingon sa ako ng tandem. Ginan ako si Senator Cayetano ug si Pia, the brother and sister. Nga ang problema mo diha hindi ko mudagan. I do not have that ambition nga murag mamatay kung di kong presidente. Kaya di magyo ko mga ambition gid ana. It's a thankless job. I know na walay pasaylohay diya. Maski kamay problema sa Pilipinas, mubuto na imo gina. And I know the perils of public service. I should know. I've been there for the last so many years. Half of my breathing life, pag-aingnon pa. Prosecutor ko, Vice Mayor, 1 year. 22 years, na ako'y 4 years, 3 years congressman, na anak ko'y another 3 years pagka-vice mayor. So, para na ako, okay na to.
Mayor, niingon ka nga, they are presuming or assuming that you would run for the presidency. But papasabot, wala kanila gi-kumbinsi na to run.
Naningon sila nga mudagan ko, kaya a good chances of winning. Ngayon pag ko nga, wala man, awahi man ko sa survey. Magdungat na kapildi na noon, pangita na lang mag-winning candidate. So, whether I'm really the number 1 or the number 5 ko sa survey, it does not really matter to me.
According to the survey, Mayor, yung latest ng Pulse Asia, statistically tied ka together with the two other presidential candidates. Doesn't that say something? Even despite the fact that you said you are not running.
Hindi magyug ko.
Kaya nga, but still you are statistically tied on the second slot with the other two candidates. That says something, kahit papano.
It says that do not run because you have you are tied with 2 others. Ang number 1 because you should be running because you have good chances of winning. Because you're number 1. By a mile, layo ba kaayo. Pero maingon lang, you have good chances of winning because statistical tie. And remember that in that statistical tie, ang question dia, number 3, na ako'y pinakalas. Kaya lang, dugol kaayo ang numero. 1 point lang something. So, tie na yun mo, ana.
Kasi may margin pa sila.
Margin of error. Basig masayop sila. It's about 3%.
Yun na nga, Mayor. Among those 2, or among the 3 na nag-tie, ikaw ang nagsabi hindi ka tatakbo, and yet
Correct.
you're still in that position.
Ay, magsiyan po sila pangutan na survey. Yun da nga pa na nila, ngutang ako nga lang, di ko natin problema nga rin, sige, debate, usaon ta ng ilang trabaho. Kadaot, ilang trabaho, kita pa'y magsigig ko, Andre. Di ba?
Anyway, Mayor, on the following day, Wednesday, niabot si Senator Bongbong Marcos.
Correct, mo gihapon.
Okay.
Same, purging anak ko, nga anak ko siya daan nga senator, diri ra ba si Cayetano. Unya, interview siya, unya, he announced for the first time nga mo kuan na daw siya, mo dagan siya pagka Vice President, ug di bakante pa daw, pagoy ticket, pwede ba daw siya po'y kuhaon, Vice. Same pod si Bongbong, mo pa magyapon. Huwag na, huwag ka pa makapili og Vice niya, bakante pa, kung pwede ba ko sa imo. Muna, may amo na kung pangayon pod sa imo. Di, nakistirhan ako siya nga, naka-owner ba ko ha, kay gipangutan ako sa media at naamagod sa kong kilid. Announce lagi siyang dagan siya. Sa man ako pag-ingog dili lang anahiyain mo yung tao. Naman ko inungutan na kaning media ginoon di ka iskapos ka buang ba. Kaya right there and then ingnon po kanila niya mo suporta kaniya. Ano si isulti mo dili. Di mo ko, suporta ko. O niya, pag-abot po ni Bingo, masuporta ko.
So, paano yun, Mayor? Dalawa ang susuportahan mo for the vice
Di,
presidency.
di man ako nangutana ana senator, yung media man, katamantong sa ABS-CBN, patungin sa to, pero kung sa may tubag na ko,
So, naka-oo ka twice.
no.
To two different vice presidential
Duhay na
candidates. Okay.
Alang-alang hiyain ko yan. Kanima kong media, kaya mangutanag ingon ana. Hibaw na ko na siya ingon na kung musuportar ko kang pag-abot. O niya, musuporta ka kang, musuporta. Di, duha na imong suportahan. Utong tagaroon niya. Ingon mo nako, pag-yugan ako nga.
Mayor, okay, you said na, okay, nag-oo ka, musuporta ka to both of them as vice presidential candidates. Unsa man ang nasa sa usa nga tan-aw nimo maayong mahimo silang vice president.
Pareho silang ambisyon, ilang ilangan.
Okay.
Wala na.
Aside from the ambition, about the kanilang qualifications, capacity, abilities.
Pwede dugay naman sila sa Senate. I think that we can talk more of their qualification rather than their disqualification.
So, walang problema sa qualification. They both
Wala
have
mo,
it.
ingon mo. Mayon na lang ko, pili mo kang Bongbong o kang Cayetano. Mana na lang. Pareho sila, maayon laki, puro bright. Kanilang siya, yung pangan Marcos, kaning usa, yung apelido Cayetano.
Okay. Mayor, in the past, ang vice president is always parang ano lang siya, parang wala masyadong
Reserva lang.
wala siyang specific duties and functions ng talagang kanya lang other than supporting the president.
Yes.
Unsa sa tanong nimo ang dapat qualifications ng vice president for that position?
Well, you need not be a lawyer. That's
Okay.
one. That would be a very silly thing to suggest. Two, both are educated actually, and I think both are smart guys. They have the capacity to lead an organization or a country. And third is their fortitude.
Okay.
They both have the same traits.
Okay.
Fortitude.
Okay. So, both practically applied to you as your vice president if you decide to run. Murang
May
nahitabo,
apply
Mayor.
sila sa ako.
Oo. Murag kung wala pa kay consider or wala pa kay na kung
murag
vice
ana
president,
yun.
they would want to run with you
Yeah.
as your vice president.
Yes.
The irony of it is naapay duha ka presidential nga wala pay vice president na running mate. Did you suggest to them, now why not go to this presidential na ito since, as you said, you are not running?
It would be a bad taste on my part to say that.
Okay.
May nga, ikaw nang ang pinupuntahan namin dito, itapon mo kami doon.
Oo.
Mana mo na sila. I mean, that would be the natural reaction. Maybe they would not verbalize it, but you can read the demand and they would be saying, kaya nga ako pumunta rito sa iyo, tapos itapon mo ako sa iba. So, I never suggested anybody dyan sa whether Po or Binay or Rojas.
Okay. So, parang in-entertain mo lang talaga yung ano nila, their visit to you. Unsa kadugay ang inyuhang meeting, Mayor?
Gunggay.
Okay.
Almost 2 hours ka each.
And then both of them went home empty-handed, so to speak.
Wa man kayo nangaon na pamahaw. Kaya duga man nga to. Not empty-handed in the sense that they were not able to realize the purpose for which they came for. One, they should have tried to ascertain whether I'm running or not. The first requirement. And the second thing is that if there is no commitment in the vice presidential position, maganda tayo unahon nimo. Mudagan ba ni? Og mudagan ni naa ba ni gipili?
So, sa tanaw nimo, they did not do the research. Kung
I
mudagan
think
ba
they
siya.
did, but ang
Nagbakasakali.
ilang pagtuo mudagang yun ko.
Okay. Would it have something to do, Mayor, katong nahitabo nga Duterte run nga nahitabong rally sa Luneta wherein lots of people went, and also because of that nag-statistically tied ka with the other two presidentiables sa latest survey.
Na may usapang niabot. Ingon silang Duterte, paglakaw na lang, ano na pagdali. Wow.
Mayor, daghan ang huna-huna na despite your repeated declarations that you're not running, that eventually you will change your mind because you did
Go
say,
bitaw?
nagsulti daw ka, Mayor, na you will do
Oo,
some
lagi
soul
madaga
searching.
na lang ko.
Oo.
Kay ikaw, di na nga mo, sige, ako na mo, grat-grat din. Magigilang, pibaw ko lang sa inyong mudagan ko. Tungod aning bayhanang rin akong sigilag. Balik-balik.
So, madala lang na ikasakulit.
Oo.
Kukulitin ka lang namin. So, you're running na?
Oo, dagan.
Oo na talaga?
Oo.
So, daghay ang mali pa yan, Mayor.
Dagan mo lang ka.
Pag sure.
Dagan mo lang ka.
For the president.
Asa man tang kilometro
for the
gusto niyo
presidential
magsugod.
race.
Kastoril padong sa Dumoy o Dumoy padong sa Bangkal.
No, for the presidential race.
That's a far-fetched idea.
But tinuod nagsulti ka that you will do soul searching.
I said lagi, ang problema ay soul searching. Pagpangita na ako sa soul na ako, nawala man. So how can I search when my soul is...
So you're continually searching for your soul right now.
The missing element is the soul. So as of now, I do not have any soul. But the spirit siguro ay mag-iingon. Alain man ng spirit, lain man ng soul.
Okay.
Kaya kanay pa sa na imo ginabuhat, sol-sol man ang klaro. Ayaw na tayo. Ginasulsulan ko nimo nga padaganon.
Tinuod nga nagsulti ka adto, Mayor. The message that was given to the people there in Luneta nga give you time to do final soul searching.
How do you send, what kind of a message would you send them? Nagtapok sila nga to alas 2 na uwanan pa sila. Unya inulan nimo, hoy panguli na mo yung dagan. I mean that's quite dili lang discourteous. You're absolute. You're an asshole, I would say. So mingon lang ko, sige pauli na mo na total di taman mo. But I was actually addressing myself. I had a previous statement, the shortcut lang siguro na ako doon. When I announced formally that I was running for president, I was not running for president. I was also addressing myself to the Moro people. Kaya ang Moro in town mga the Moro people are hitching their stars po sa akong pag plano one good sila unta nga presidente ko kay that's about the only time nga maka-abrig ko sa federalism. If you are the sitting president and you have in mind which you want to actually maybe things to happen towards federalism, nakitaan mo gud nila nga ako ra po'y nagasigig trabaho. Remember many times out of town, namutong ningon sila nga ako naga-kampanya. Actually, it was all federalism. My God, it was all federalism. Nothing else. Motong medyo nakuha matong siguro ina po nako akong mga Moro brothers and sisters. Do not worry, I'll keep up the fight for federalism, whether as a civilian or as a pamaba, as a mouthpiece.
You will continue to advocate for federalism.
Yes.
Okay. Dirita Mayor, sa ato ang lokal nga hisgutanan, hugot ang monitoring karon sa Davao City Police kontra sa narcopolitics. Gikabalakhan sa ato ang DCPO nga basing gamiton ang drug money to fund sa mga election campaign ng ating mga politiko. Is there really a real danger na mahitabo na diri sa atong lugar, Mayor?
Distinctly, yes. Okay. Just like Mexico. I said you can count the many places, or even you can call any mayor on the several places, cities all throughout the country, and even municipalities. May ngugid silang problema na droga. there is one province here na hindi ko lang i-mention, I will not mention the name of the province, na sila mismo yung mga Davao leader, sinabi sa kanila na sumama ka kay Duterte kasi pag hindi maiwan ka. Kasi kami dito Duterte. So what could be the possible answer? They do not know me. There's an Ilocano president, a contender, Binay. And yet, these are Ilocano that say na ang takot sila sa droga. Most of the parents are really scared stiff about the son or narco-politics. The narco money will rule the day for all of us.
So itong province na na-mention mo, Mayor, somewhere in Luzon.
Luzon yan. O, Ilocano may akong giingon. Pero kung saan ang probinsya, I am not at liberty to tell you. In confidence, mas resulta.
So if ever, Mayor, that's gonna be an added reason for you to run, to fight drugs.
Basin ko na ko.
Not only to advocate for federalism.
Ito nga droga. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, magiging kayo, ay niya nagpaabutan na maabot ganyan na ilubong tagi mo patay na. Aw, buhi na, di na patay. Nagalubong mo ko sa ila, pero patay na. So, ilubong tagi mo buhi. Pag dili ko malubong ang sana, des mag-kikaut-kaut na yun. Butang ni mo, iging natagang masimutan ng G9. Basig pila ka tuig, simuto na di ikot-kuto. Dito sa dagat kay wag limpyo.
So para walang ebidensya, Mayor.
Nakanigay ko giitsa dito nga babae nga pero nimog na ako. Pareho lang nimog na ako.
Okay, naapaman ko din.
Oo.
Pero Mayor, sa imuhang tanaw, let's look at the entire Philippines. In terms of percentage, how much or unsa kadako
ang
sa ato
contamination
ang nasudlan na sa narco-politics?
Tanan na. Pagtawag laging mayor des Pilipinas, I bet you. Ay na unsay imong problema karon diha.
Okay.
Kani then imagine this Ilocano province. It might be a minority in the sense that not all of the Ilocanos there would go for me just because I am a crusader against drugs. But the fact is that a portion or a number of them would express their support for the reasons of drugs. That also tells you volumes of what or how much the danger has really reached.
So there, if ever, Mayor, there will really be a clamor for you to run. And you shouldn't be surprised anymore na maraming nangungulit na
wala
mga
man
tao.
ko ma-surprise noon sa kaluoy lang sa Diyos. Wala man ko. Ang ako, wala ko sila ginatagad kaya wala ko'y ambisyon. Ang akong gisaad ni Kanoy o ni Pimentel is that I will go around the country as far as their money could fund the trips. Kaya ko sila nga, libot lang ko, but for the president, for the federalism as against the unitary type of presidential government.
Okay. So right now, final word mo on the presidency, ayaw mo pa rin?
Murag nakagusto na ko.
Gusto na nimo?
Kasi ka maghisgot. Mura na noong ko na
So nahanap mo na si Soul at na-search mo na siya?
Wa pa na si
Okay.
Pero murag nagduha-duhan ako kay para lang maundang ka ba?
Bitaw, Mayor, a lot of people are still waiting sa imuhang resulta, sa imuhang soul searching and hoping that you will eventually change your mind. Especially with all the happenings that are going on. Two potential vice presidential coming here asking to be your running mate.
I'd let you in into the scheme of things. Actually, daghan ng mga tawag and officials included na they have prepared this money for me to run. And pagkakaroon, ayaw lang una, mga 3 pa. Ayaw lang una. Pero ay napagdugaya, ayaw ninyo pasubray sa deadline. Kinala na ana pag-abot sa deadline.
Nana daw nag-pledge og 1 billion for your campaign.
Manito ugma.
Oh.
They're coming here tomorrow.
Okay. So if everything falls into place, the money is there, the support, and even your vice presidentiables are already there, go na?
Wala.
Does that mean go na?
Wala kwarta, mahatag lang sila og... The guys are coming over tomorrow. I said, I'd be honest with you now. I'm under tremendous pressure to run. Na atong sige tawag, asa na po sa akong amigo. Umay ni sila. During the last few days, I said, binugbog talaga ako ng pressure. Gusto ako puntahan dito kasi sabi man nila makita sa Manila. Hindi magamanha na diya. Ano sila. Pasa tondo ha. Si Marcos o si tanah sila kang Bong. Bong kano sa manis mo yan. Ay, Bong adi naman na diya. Di mo na siya kandidato. So sila naging I suppose that they were they knew well beforehand that I was not really keen on running. So they came here expecting that would maybe if there's a change of mind that if I could consider them as vice presidential bets. But pagka ano ko sa sagot nila, parang alam nila na
Suntok sa buwan.
suntok sa buwan.
Anyway, Mayor, nahut na nataog oras. Next week, baka mag-change pa rin ang mind mo. Kukulitin pa rin kita, Mayor. Natay mga greetings?
Instead of belated happy birthday to Isay Eraswige, kang Gagawad Margie Coral, o ang ex-kapitan Noel Galang. Belated happy birthday kang Deng Fuentes, ang among Director.
Si Deng.
Tuwa daw sa Iloilo ni Ole. Happy birthday kang Liana Saban Pondias. Happy birthday to Stella Boitrago. Advance happy birthday kang Kapitan Ronilo Guerra o kang Kapitan Nestor Mutia. And kang Kapitan Lorenzo Versano o Kapitan Ernie Alterado. O kang Kapitan Margie Binobo.
Ayan. Daghang salamat kay Sheila Magpale, Salon, Rojas Branch, for my hair and makeup o para pod sa pag-groom kay Mayor. Daghang salamat kay Kim Macarayan, Dr. Sara Ladaw of the Tooth Clinic, Metro Lifestyle Fitness Center, Bloom Facial Spa, Mags for my outfit, Ideal Vision Center, ug Mahaw Karumbundaga. Daghang salamat sa Yellowfin Seafood Restaurant. Mga kapamilyan, humanasad ang atong episode. Hangtod sa sunod natong panag-uban-uban. Daghang salamat ug maayong buntag kaninyong tanan.